This is made of metal, and so you use the gloves to not to cut your hands up, as well as this little piece of rubber that's going to line the very, very top. So we're going to go ahead and put it together, and let's see what this looks like. Okay, so this is the raised bed garden completely finished, and super easy to assemble. Basically the 4 screws, and you made all the panels together, and then you completed it all together at once after those panels were done. And then the rubber edging along the top, like I told you guys before. I did have strawberry plants in these huge molasses tubs, and I wanted to break them apart and give them a little bit more space. This is 4 feet long by 2 feet wide. It was very easy to assemble. I did put cardboard on the very, very bottom just so that the weeds wouldn't try to come through the bottom. And what I really like about this design is that I can actually get some curved trellises to put bird netting on the top during the spring and the summer, and then during the winter time when it gets really, really cold, I can use that same trellis to put winter cloth on the top to protect them. So thanks guys for watching. My name is Paula, and you guys have a fantastic day. Overall, this was super easy to assemble, and I definitely love that I'm going to put my strawberry plants in it.